Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will explain the trades we provide in our free group and VIP groups. So for those who are new here and want to join us and access all our services, the link is available in the description. Go ahead and check it out. All the services are free, so don't miss it. Now let's move on to the video. The session started in the VIP group because on that day, the OTC market was running. Therefore, we provided signals only in the VIP group. Let's begin. This was the first trade on FedEx OTC for an upward call move in the VIP group. The reason for this trade was a support level, and you can see that the last candle filled the previous candle's wick. That's why we gave a signal for an upward move, and it was an excellent win. Now let's move on to the second trade, which we provided on Microsoft OTC for a downward move. Here you can see that the Queen candle left a wick indicating a downward move. That's why we gave a signal for the downside, and this was also a great win. Moving on to the next trade, which we again provided on FedEx OTC for a downward move. The reason behind this trade was a downtrend. You can see the earlier downtrend here, along with a moving average. We got an entry at the moving average, and this was a clean win. So the session ended here, and we achieved a 3-0 result using the non-martingale strategy. If you want to access it, you can message us on Telegram. The link is available in the description. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any suggestions or topics, comment below. Until then, see you in the next video. Goodbye.